I'm not one to complain, which means I'm about to. Picfair, please clarify for me. You state that I can build a free photography store and portfolio. You say that I can start selling images from my own Picfair store within minutes. When I check your plans, I can see that you have a Picfair Lite plan, offering me the ability to upload up to 20 images, choose from multiple store templates, add my own logo and bio, add my own watermark, and have multiple albums. Which sounds amazing. You hooked me. I signed up, uploaded 19 images, and then discovered you need to moderate my images. Because it takes 1 business day for you to undertake moderation, and I uploaded on a Saturday, my images didn't clear moderation until Monday. Now, I don't want to labour a point, but your claim was that I could start selling my images within minutes. It took 40 hours for you to clear my images for use. And then, much worse than that, I discovered I can't open my shop unless I have a Picfair Plus plan, which costs $9.99 a month, reduced to $5 for the first year. What? What's the point of having a Picfair Lite plan if all it does is allows me to upload my 20 images and never be able to publish them for anyone to see, yet alone buy? Picfair, I believe your misleading me has just lost my goodwill. I won't be spending any money with you, and I'll be deleting my account shortly. However, I will give you a few days to respond just in case I've got something wrong.